Hi, this is Mark at Physical of Eversville. This is my good friend, April. April's been working out in here for 9 years. This is what you want to aspire to if you want to stay fit. This girl right here. She's going to demonstrate some exercises with the band. Why a band resistance? It's a very inexpensive way of providing some resistance for the bodies, and they are so versatile you can use a lot of different motions with them. So I think from Perform Better, they're like $2.99, so very cheap. Okay. First exercise, we're going to start with some upper body ones. So what I'm going to have her do is put it around her wrist. She is going to hold them out in front of her, separate them some, and then just bring it over her shoulder like she is reaching back. Just like this. So she's going to keep tension, keeping the bands apart, but she's going to work these upper back muscles and posture muscles. She's not letting the tension come off of that, and she's rotating back, which is good for the shoulders. 5 to 10 reps is good for that. What you'll notice is a lot of other muscle groups tighten up. Another good exercise, put your hands in like a pressing position, separate the bands, maintain that tension, press them up over your head and just behind your head, just like that. Again, 5 to 10 repetitions. You'll feel a lot of muscles working. And one more exercise we're going to do, one that will also work the core some, is you're going to hold your left arm down and lock that in as you bring your right arm up towards your right shoulder and back. So you're going to rotate like that, and then you'll do some on the left side. So 3 quick and easy exercises you can do right in the comfort of your own home. If you have further questions, contact us at physicalofersville.com.